it is time to level up. Let's do this! Hey, good morning guys. Welcome to a brand new episode. It is November 15th. It's a Wednesday, which means it's been about 2 days since that crazy weekend of my anniversary and Diwali. It was horrible in terms of progress, but it's okay. I've learned to deal with it because an anniversary doesn't happen every week, guys, and even Diwali, I'm usually always away for Diwali, and this year it felt good to be with family. So with that being said, I have gotten back on track, and that's all it takes, guys. You don't have to go over the top to kind of course correct. You just have to get back to doing what you were doing before that crazy day or that crazy weekend. I did feel bloated and kind of sluggish the last 2 days. Today I'm feeling much better. I started getting my steps back in. I started working out again, eating right, and Monday morning, right after that crazy weekend, I was 169.9 pounds, which means I had roughly put on about 4 pounds, close to 4 pounds. And then yesterday morning, I weighed in at 167.9 pounds. So literally 2 pound drop, guys, and I didn't do anything fancy. I just got back on track, and that's all it takes. All that water weight just needs to drop, and you will go back to making progress like before. So yesterday was a rest day, and then this morning I weighed in at 167.5 pounds. And in terms of the goals for this week, it's pretty much the same as last week. Consume 2,200 calories, get 4 workout sessions in. The only difference is with my step count. So last week I was doing 15,000 steps on the workout days and 12,000 steps on the non-workout days. This week onwards, the goal is to hit 15,000 steps every single day, no matter what. Alright guys, let's go over my final workout, day 4 of my 4-day workout program, which is lower body hypertrophy day. This is similar to day 3. All the exercises are going to be within the 8 to 12 rep range. So first, I start off with the barbell squats, exactly the same exercise as I do on the lower body strength days, but the only difference is that I do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Next is the reverse lunges. Now, reverse lunges are a great lower body exercise that targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. A few things to keep in mind though is when you take a step backward, ensure your step is not too long back, as that can compromise on your balance. Another tip is instead of going directly back, go slightly to the side, and this definitely helps with balance too. I do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Next is the glute bridges. Now this can be done flat on the ground, or you can use a bench. Now with the bench, you're just adding an element of elevation, which increases the range of motion and further engages the glutes and the hamstrings. So I place the weights on my thighs and I push up. I aim to create a straight line from my shoulders to my knees at the top of the movement. I hold that position for a moment to maximize glute activation, and then lower my hips back down to the starting position with control. I do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Moving on to the Romanian deadlift. This is exactly the same thing I do on my lower body strength days as well. Again, a great exercise for the hamstrings and glutes. I do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. And then the final leg workout, again similar to day 2, is the standing single leg calf raises. I do 3 sets on each side for about 8 to 12 reps. And finally, I finish off the workout with one ab exercise, which is the weighted crunches. I do 3 sets of about 15 reps each. And there you have it, guys. That completes my 4 workouts for the week, and that's my complete structure that I am currently following with the exercises, with the sets, and the reps. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it informative. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. And now let's get back to the vlog. Alright guys, it is 11 o'clock and I am having my first meal. Basically a pre-workout meal, papaya and a protein shake. I will have this, and after about an hour or so, I will go and work out. Alright guys, it is time to work out. It's about 12:30. It's my second session for the week. It is a lower body day and I hate lower body days. But let's do this. Alright guys, time for lunch. I am having some rice, dal, veggies and chicken. I'm gonna enjoy this while I watch the semi-finals. Hey, good evening guys. Just came out for a walk. It's about 6:45. I kind of got carried away watching the game. I pretty much sat through the entire first innings, and what a match guys. It's incredible to see the way Virat played is amazing. He's just like for most of you, he's an inspiration to me as well. At the age of 35, to see how disciplined and determined he is incredible guys. There are a couple of people that I look up to and I've followed closely over the years, and Virat is definitely one among them. So I have about 6,000 steps to go. I wasn't feeling it a couple of hours back, but just watching his knock really motivated me to get up, get out here and get my steps in. So I'm going to complete that, get back home, have dinner, watch the rest of the game, and I guess I'll call it a night. And with that guys, I will end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it informative. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I will see you in the next one.